Abstract. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the global economy was shut down almost overnight. For the hospitality industry, the pandemic has faced an unprecedented challenge. Strategies to flatten the COVID-19 curve, such as social lockdown, social distancing, and stay-at-home orders, limitation on travel and mobility, have resulted in the temporary closing of many hospitality companies and greatly reduced the market for companies that have been permitted to continue operating. Restriction on travel and stay-at-home orders imposed by the authorities have led to a sharp drop in the occupancy and revenue of hotels. Hospitality companies are required to make major improvements to their operation in the market climate of COVID-19 in order to ensure the health and safety of workers and customers. Introduction. China announced an outbreak of a form of pneumonia with unknown causes in December 2019. At the beginning of January 2020, the Malaysian Ministry of Health established the seafood market in Wuhan. A COVID-19 has been briefly named as novel coronavirus. When a person infected with COVID-19 coughs or sneezes, the virus spreads through droplets from the nose or mouth. Malaysia is taking steps to enforce the PKP, Movement Control Order or MCO. This pandemic also has an impact on the hotel industry, which is struggling with an ongoing crisis due to the harm caused by the global pandemic of COVID-19. Hotels use various kinds of SOP such as tour procedure, flow procedure, and work procedure. Tool protocols such as check-in and check-out, temperature problem. Law protocols such as coping with staff conduct, vulnerable areas such as indicator of smoke in a non-smoking room or reduced credit card.
Next discussion, how hospitality industry been affected of the COVID-19 pandemic. Due of the COVID-19 pandemic, that's why the hospitality industry have to face new challenges. Strategy to stop COVID-19 spread such as lockdown, social distancing, homestay orders, and travel restriction have been result in a sharp decline in hotel occupancy and income. The cancellation of flight and trains, closing down of all the tourist places and slowing down of the business and also caused the hotel booking have seen hard cancellation. Many tourists from around the world have cancelled their hotel booking because they do not want to risk themselves with the danger of the COVID-19 infection. It may result in drastic cancellation in hotel bookings. Due to room cancellation, the hotel unable to pay employees' salaries according to what has been stipulated in the contract. Hotel take of a way to let off workers with unpaid leave and unpaid wages to their workers as the sector overcome the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic. According to a report by the Star Malaysia, a total of 56,299 workers were laid off. From that, 70% were asked to take unpaid leave and 9% received salary deduction. Due to that, workers lost their source of income to cover their life when COVID-19 hit the country and forced workers to find other alternatives to survive.
First solution is work from home. This work from hotel idea also benefit the customer or employees itself. This will give customer the idea of hotel not only as a place to spend their holiday, but also as a working place. This work from hotel can be done through booking or reservation by contacting the hotel receptionist, or employees can refer through the hotel website to know about this work from hotel package offered by the hotel itself. Work from hotel is one of the increasing revenue management and asset optimizing tactics for hotel management. This implementation of new idea have benefit not only one-sided but also others as well. For these reasons, initiative from hotel service will eventually help ease the burden and help employees to feel relaxing environment while doing their job.
Solution 2. Retain and maintain employee without laying off. First, make schedule through rotating shift. The security may still have to be present for the insurance purpose and as general good practice to keep the property in a safe condition. The housekeeper will be employed to conduct deep cleaning and they can install a new hygiene initiative implemented that result from COVID-19. The manager can maintain limited staff by keeping one food and beverage outlet open and one receptionist available at the front desk. Second, maintain true remote control. Even though it maybe has a little flexibility to preserve operation and also have many support functions that can be maintained through remote working. And number two, the manager can push the employee to take their vacation time. Okay, the last one is negotiate with government or union. The manager can give the tools and resources to apply for it. They also can calibrate and partner with the essential business such as pharmacy, grocery store, health administrator, and in manufacturer to offer the follow-up employee access to another job during the hotel closure. If the hotel is part of the change, the manager can consider transfer employee to another location depending on the needs and availability.
Generate income from another alternative. One of the alternatives is food delivery. Hotel service usually include tasty food in their service. They hire chef to provide their customer food, and of course the customer will pay it. Hotel management can team up with other daily delivery service such as Food Panda, Get Food and Each to deliver their food from hotel to customer doorstep, and also they can try find some of the staff that can ride a motorcycle or drive a car to do the delivery. This will save up a lot of costs, expanding out delivery service that can take up to 35% from the revenue. Besides that, because of overwhelming COVID-19 case lately, hospital ran out of space to quarantine the patient. Government need to find quarantine space for those infected by COVID-19. Hotel can turn out to be one of the quarantine centers. Hotel management can rent out all the special room to the government for good price. Another alternative is cleaning service. Hotel staff are trained to sterilize room and laundries. Hotel management can use the staff skill to increase their income by selling cleaning service to the public. The last one is advertising. Hotel building usually big, spacious, and easily located by anyone. The hotel can use the building as advertising tool. They can rent out the building to company put their own advertisement on outside the building, just like billboard. Also, they can put giant screen turn it as a big television advertisement. This will help them generate more income.
About the conclusion, due to the COVID-19 pandemic that hit in Malaysia, that have a huge impact major in the tourist industry, such as all the tourists have cancelled their booking, like airplane ticket, hotel, and many more, and they have to postpone their travel plan to Malaysia due to the concern of COVID-19 virus. The number of tourists is declining as stated by Malaysia government has imposed restriction and travel restriction. The economic stimulus package is expected to help tourist industry to survive in this challenging period. To prevent from the COVID-19 virus to spread out, hotel management should follow the SOP like minimum social distance of 1 meter, use a face mask all the time, regularly hand washing with soap or hand sanitizer, terminal inspection at the entrance of exit and clean business premises regularly. Hotel employees are encouraged to consider and give flexibility to their employees to work from home. They are also encouraged to have flexible working hours or shift for different group of employees. And lastly, employers have to flexibility to determine work schedule based on their business need. That are from us. Thank you.